guys, good morning. Let's do a quick fit check before we head out. So yeah, this is a very basic outfit for today's video, but I just want to share with you something. So this top I got from Timo, this pants which thrifted, and this H-inspired sandals. I got this for 25 dirhams at the Jimmy Gift Market. But if you can find this brand, it's called Maklinet. You can find this also in Bawadi, the shops at the ground floor, but they are 120 dirhams. But when I saw it at Jamie, I was like, I'm taking this one because I always wear flats every single day. So this one is perfect fit, although this is size 36, which is perfect because it's just sitting perfectly on my feet. Sure, my feet is sitting perfectly on the shell. What am I saying? But yeah, next thing is this bag. I want to talk with you guys about this one. I haven't worn this in a long time, I think once or twice. But then when I saw it, I was like, I'm thinking if this will be my travel bag next month. So yeah, it has 3 compartments. And yeah, it fits a lot of things, guys. Like, look at that. It sits. The color is perfect. It's almond. And guess what? Let me just show you something. Wait, let's do what's inside my bag first. So this makes this video very long. So I have my purse, I have my shades, I have my home keys and my car key. I also have my mini camera. Okay, these are just my daily essentials. It's not even complete, but yeah. So my mini camera, and I also have some pens, and with I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, I got this from IKEA for 1 dirham 99, I think. So yeah, it's perfect for my phone. Wait, I cannot. I need to sit. I need to sit, but my camera cannot be adjusted. But anyway, yeah, I'll put you down, guys. It's better so we can talk properly. OMG. So yeah, this one sits perfectly. Where's my other phone? I'm gonna show you. Even the tablet can also, if I needed to place it in the table like that, or yeah, the other side also. So it's like 1 dirham 99 in IKEA. This is also part of my keys, like that. I include them like that. And it's what's happening to the world right now, what do you call that, earthquakes and everything. I always make sure I have this with me, but this is baby girl's. Baby boy also has one, but it's in blue bell. So flashlight and whistle. This one lasts long. We charged it for the first time and it's never low bat. So yeah, we also use it when we're traveling to France, when we go hiking like that. So yeah, this is a must-have in my bag also. I am being paranoid, but yeah, whistle and flashlight, guys. You have to invest in that. So in case of emergency, you know what I mean. So next is I have the Balaya perfume. This is inspired only. It is made by someone I know. It's her business. So yeah, they mix and match perfume, something like that. Next thing I have is my eco bag. I always bring that with me. I also have mascara here. This is like a very quick transfer to other bags because every single day I change my bag. So this is an OTG for the camera's card reader. Another lipstick. And my earpods, not iPad, because I made a mistake last time. And okay, on the last part I have a notebook. That's for my friend. She gave it to me. That's why I have ball pen also. It's never complete. I sometimes have tissue, wet wipes, and all that. But yeah, look at that. You can fit a lot of things. And yeah, it's perfect for travel. And you know what's the funny thing? It has also compartments inside, one there and one here and one at the back. So I think this is made in India, guys. The name is Nell Harper. And it only cost, I was surprised because with Prime Day, it only cost 27 dirhams. I'm not even joking. But when I got this, it's 36 dirhams. The color is almond. So if you search it up, so see, this one, the color is taupe, but with Prime Day, it costs 27 dirhams. So yeah, they have a lot of different colors. 5 only. So I like this one, but it's 31 dirhams It's not prime. So yeah, it's 31, it's red, you know. And the quality is not that bad, you know what I mean? If it's for daily use, or you know, when you just want to go to the grocery, to the mall and fit a lot of stuff, this is perfect. It's not like the baddest quality. It's actually not bad, you know. So yeah, I suggest, if you are someone on the go and want something chic and sturdy and something that is very reliable kind of bag, I think this one is perfect for the price. You can never you can never go. So they have blue, they also have black with a different color, and the last one that I have is the more expensive now. I don't know, but I got this for 36, to be honest with you, but this time it's 43 dirhams. But look at that. I was just, you know, I'm a bagaholic, so anything bag that attracts me, that sparks joy to me, I buy. Even if, you know, it doesn't have to be super expensive, but something I like, I buy. So yeah, this is one of the purchases that I was like, at first I was like, okay, 1 use, 2 use, it will be broken, but it has been sitting in my closet for a while now, and it hasn't had any, like, you know, sometimes those bags with peeling off, you know what I mean? But this one, so far so good. Yeah, I'm thinking now if this is perfect for traveling. Like, you know, I will not be in pain if I break it or lose it. You know what I mean? So, what do you guys think? It's a perfect bag, right? It matches my sandals that I got from the gift market. Actually, I got two. I got the maroon one and this color black, because they are the only size 36. Okay, I step on like the poking plant, OMG. So yeah, it's 25 dirhams, and in Bawadi, guys, I'm telling you, I almost bought from there. It's 120. You know those shops with the bags that I don't want to mention, but if you have time, go to check in the gift market, and they have different colors. But yeah, I got this one and a maroon one, which is my favorite, and this is perfect for on the go. Yeah, it looks, you know, copying someone, but I prefer that they put a name here, so it's called inspired if it's copied, but they put a name Maclinet instead of H, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not trying to influence you into, you know, buying fake, but sometimes I do that too. But anyways, just sharing. Bye, the end. Thanks for watching.